Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney, and today we're talking about BabyQuip.
We are. So BabyQuip is a great service that we have used before, and it's a great way for you to be able to get things to your resort instead of having to pack things in your suitcase. So bigger items like cribs or swings or strollers, things like that you don't want to necessarily take up a lot of space inside of your luggage. Ways to get that to your hotel.
Yeah, so if you're new to BabyQuip, not really familiar how it works, we're going to walk you through the different steps and show you how simple of a process it is.
Yeah, we'll show you the website, what that looks like, and we'll also show you how easy it is with the delivery process and picking things up. There are just a few easy steps to be able to have BabyQuip deliver for you. So the first step is to choose your destination city. So where are you going to go on vacation to? The second step is choose the provider. Who do you want to deliver your stuff on vacation to you? Step 3 is what kind of things are you going to rent while you're on vacation? And then step 4 is just that confirmation and then paying. So first step, enter your destination city or zip code. So we've entered that we want to stay at the Swan Hotel. We want to get there on June 22nd. We want to leave there on June 30th. And then you can see that there are 27 quality providers that match our search criteria from all over the state of Florida who are able to deliver to that location. Now you can see on here that they do charge different delivery fees depending on who you choose. So that's something important to look at. And then some other great things to be able to look at when you are looking at making a reservation and choosing provider. You can see how many stars that they have received. So Debbie Metz is actually who we are using for our next trip, and we are super excited about her. So she has 5 stars. She has served 58 reservations, and she has over 60 items for rent. So in other words, she has a lot of stuff that you can utilize for your vacation. Her estimated delivery fees are $40 to $60, but I think it's kind of important to be able to see those highlights before you choose a provider. So once you decide on your provider, you would click View Gear. And then the next step was to be able to choose which gear you want. So we've got a provider, which gear do we want to get from that person? So for us, we always want to get a stroller on our Disney trip. So that way we don't have to haul our stroller in the airplane and in the airport. So we can look through and see what kind of things that Debbie has available. So she has tons of different varieties of strollers and equipment for strollers. So you can look and see how much she's charging per day for that stroller. And then she's also showing sometimes there's a minimum of how long you're able to use something. So some providers say, for example, down here, you have to use this item for at least 3 days minimum. So for us, we've already added this Up a Baby Cruise stroller to our cart. So it's here in our cart already. But then you can decide if there's other things that you want to use. So maybe you are interested in getting a crib or somewhere for your baby to sleep at, like a bassinet. So you can decide what you need, whatever the equipment is that you're wanting. Something that's kind of great is that sometimes the provider has packages where they will kind of make a bundle deal for you of what things that you might need, and that can actually help you save money. So these are things that Debbie has available as packages. So eat and sleep package. So she's including a full-size crib, a sound machine, a high chair, all for the price of $25 a day. So those kind of things might be easier to be able to get all in one bundle together. So then once you have decided what things you want, you've added them to your cart, you would be able to check out. And one thing that's really great is they've actually given you the provider's information to be able to contact them ahead of time. So before you even pay any money, you can ask any questions you need to for that provider. So Debbie's been really great with us. We've been able to ask her lots of questions ahead of time to make sure that the equipment that she has are things that we'll be able to utilize. And then before you pay, it'll give you some different ideas of things that are part of your summary. So for us, for that BabyQuip, if I was staying for 9 days at Disney, we'd pay $81 for that. That's our subtotal. Of course, there's taxes and fees added onto that, like there would be anywhere. And then it's an estimated delivery fee. So because we said we're going to stay at the Walt Disney Swan Resort, it's a $49 estimated delivery fee. Now she gives some kind of discounts as well. So long-term rental dates, sometimes you can get discounts for that. There are also discounts as well. If you spend at least $100, you can often get $20 off if it's your first time using BabyQuip as well. And then sometimes you can even choose this option. And this will actually get rid of the delivery fee if you're able to pick up and drop off gear locally. Say you have a rental car and you're able just to pick up and drop off, that can save you that delivery fee from the provider as well. So sometimes those fees do add up, but if you're able to do that, that does help with it. So that's kind of an overview of how to use BabyQuip, and I hope that helps.
All right, so we've arrived here at the Swan Resort, and we're getting ready to pick up our BabyQuip merchandise.
Yep, so we just want to take you guys along with us. We pick up our things and show you how easy this process is.
All right, let's go do this.
Okay, so we've picked up our BabyQuip order from Miss Debbie. So we are so appreciative, Debbie.
No problem.
How long have you been with BabyQuip?
I started in October.
In October?
Yes.
And you've really grown things really fast. You have a lot of things.
Yeah, it's going. Yes. It's, every single day I'm trying to look for different deals to get different things.
That's awesome. Are you enjoying it?
Absolutely. It's great. It's easy.
You've gone above and beyond.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it. So we've got some amazing things that Debbie brought us today. So we've got our bouncer for Miss Gemma to bounce in, and then we've got our Up a Baby stroller with the baby infant insert and also that rain cover. So we are prepared for our week at Disney. We're excited. Thank you, Debbie. We appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you so much and have a great trip. Enjoy the weather and have a good time.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So we know we definitely picked the right provider because our sweet baby girl got a gift from Miss Debbie, our BabyQuip provider. She picked out this sweet, sweet gift set that makes a bunch of fun noise for Gemma to shake, rattle, and rock. So that was overly thoughtful. We weren't expecting it all. And we just can't wait for Gemma to be able to use it and make a little bit of noise on our trip. She's gonna have so much fun with that. So definitely a great provider.
All right, so that's gonna wrap up our review of BabyQuip, service that we really love, service we use quite often and really enjoy using. It's so easy, so simple, something we're gonna continue to use over and over again.
And the provider that we used this time, Debbie, she was amazing. She was so generous. She went above and beyond. We look forward to using her services again in the near future as well. And we hope that maybe you'll be able to find her as well on BabyQuip for your Disney vacation. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Like this video, become a subscriber to our YouTube family. And until next time, we will see you real soon.
Bye guys.